Hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going you to share 4A formula along with one quick tip. My name is Ganesh. I'm the founder and author of book called Sell Without Selling, which is available in the Amazon. Must recommended book. You should buy that. The number one A in any of the sales is which you need to evaluate, that is accessibility. You need to check how much acceptability your client is have for your product. If still they are in the dilemma where they are not very confident about your product, your solutions, you need to first get the acceptability from them. Once they accept your solutions, yes, this solution has the capability to solve their problem, reduce their pain, definitely they are going to move ahead in your selling journey. The second A is affordability. They should have that kind of mindset. Yes, whatever product or solutions you are selling, that is affordable. That is having that kind of value, whatever you are charging to them. So, this is something very, very important to understand what kind of values we are offering to our client. Then, third A will come to the picture, and that third A is accessibility. You need to give them some access. You need to show them how exactly that is going to work. You need to show them what kind of feature, advantage and benefits your product has. So show them the accessibility, give them the accessibility. If you are selling the software, you can give them the free access for 1 week or 15 days as per your company policy. Last but not least will come awareness. You need to spread awareness about your product, about your company, about yourself. And when you have this kind of complete package of accessibility, affordability, acceptability and awareness, definitely your prospect is going to love to speak with you and hear about your product and service. The quick tip is how you are nurturing your client. If you are the one who just got the lead and immediately start selling them, that is really not going to work. First, you need to get the contact, then you need to understand what kind of requirement they have, then you need to continuously on that kind of discussions where you can tell them how your product and service is going to solve their problem. This is all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share this 4A formula with your friends and families.